We love our fort, but we want to make some improvements. Like, we're gonna make a garage down here. And a friend of ours gave us plywood. So what do you think we're gonna do? Get started. Just getting some tools together, dude. So far the job has been easy because whole sheet of plywood, half a sheet of plywood, and basically a whole sheet of plywood. Our garage is almost finished. All we need is a door. We're gonna park our bikes in here and maybe sleep in here. We have to fill up our tire because the gauge says that it's low. See how it says that it's slow? I have to plug this into the car and put this in the tire. Put the cat back on. Aujourd'hui est la Chandeleur. Today is a day that the French flip crêpes. That's a tongue twister. The French flip crêpes. The French flip crêpes. So you have to hold the corn in one hand and flip the crêpe with the other. Okay, I'm ready. Wait, I got too many things in my pockets.
Okay, now I'm ready. Okay, here I go.
Proton!
Well, I'll eat it.
Eat it now!
It's hot.
I have a coin.
You don't have good luck, Micah.
Well, I guess we're gonna have bad luck this year. This is our current situation. Command hook and a command hook way up there, and a command hook here, and a little tower rack for Electron. That's not very good. The Woodwork Boys, also known as Proton and Neutron, can make a better one. Je suis fatigué. Faisons une pause.
Veux-tu du thé?
Oui.
Délicieux.
Tu as raison.